So we are at the tail of the dragon. We're like a little halfway, I think.
Yeah.
Now, we kind of have the Apex stunt car right now. This is the brand new. We literally just picked this up. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, check out my stories and all that. But we just picked this up from McLaren Charlotte. This is a 64 of 765 Spiders ever to be produced. This is like top spec, carbon options 1, 2, and 3. You know, this is a special MSO gray. I don't even know the name of it. I'm gonna find that out.
Dove gray.
Dove gray. Yes, you heard it here first. We're at a lookout spot here. You probably saw some of the drone footages before I am doing the talking point here. We are going to be wearing the mount, and then I'm gonna take you on a little tail of the dragon journey. We are not going to be able to push this car even probably 50% of what you can do. Obviously, these are public streets. Hopefully you get a little bit of an idea of what this car is like to drive. It is incredible. It is the most visceral car experience I've ever personally had, and that's saying something because considering I've been in 600 LTs, I love the 2RS and reviewed that car. I've been in F8s, I've been in SVJs, I've been in Huracan Performantes. I'm telling you, this thing just shits on them all, guys. It is so ridiculous. The backfires this thing makes from second to third and third to fourth and back, and it's just unreal. So check it out. Hope you enjoy the content. If you're interested, subscribe.
It's an unbelievable experience. I'm so thankful to Chris. I'm so thankful to McLaren for making cars like this. I wish they were a little more attainable for the everyday person. This is an extremely, extremely expensive car. Now, it's not Pagani, it's not Bugatti expensive, right? So there are limits, but I mean, this makes an SVJ or a Huracan, well, not an SVJ, but a Huracan seem affordable. The experience, in my professional opinion slash amateur experience, is as good, if not better, than anything I've reviewed. It is unbelievable capable. I mean, the sounds, the brakes, the turn-in, it is 100% flat on these turns. It's the most visceral driving experience I've ever had. Now, can I have just as much fun in my Mazda speed? Yeah, I can, because I can actually wind the piss out of it, but this is still another level of awesome in every single way. And I really wish that anybody watching this has the opportunity to experience one of these or works hard enough to be able to have one themselves. Because, you know, this exists in the universe, and I'm the kind of guy that's like, if it's out there, I gotta have it. And I gotta have it. I mean, it's literally like a flippin' fighter jet for the road. I mean, I feel like Maverick in Top Gun. I mean, it's unfucking believable. You have to short shift a little bit if you really want to be able to put some of the power down, just because, you know, the traction, I can feel the wheels, they're just begging for traction. I mean, they only gave you 305. 305! It's scary from that side though, isn't it?
Yeah, because you're like, oh, we gotta go off a freaking cliff.
Well, it's just like the way you were driving, and you were driving even slower. Like I felt like, oh my god, like crazy. Like, is it gonna break? But I can feel the car as the driver, right? It's so much better.
You feel like you have so much control.
You're right. I know what the wheels are doing. Not 100%, but pretty good.
Well, and as you drive the car, you know, you learn to really trust it.
Right. Exactly. The torque, just, but it's also so linear, you know? bullshit. If you and I drove 6 hours in this car home, we both need chiropractors, all right?
That's right.
And like hip adjustments. I might need a hip replacement. I mean, this thing is digging into my left hip. I mean, not that I'm complaining at all, because I'm not. It's unfriggin' believable. And that wing cover, oh, that's so fucking cool. Jesus. The power. There's just nothing else like that. It's unbelievably fast. Unbelievable. That car moves. That's amazing.
When you get up to like 65 on that?
Yeah, somewhere in Mexico. Shit. This car sounds so good. Oh my god, the backfires. Oh, I don't know if it's picking that up, but wow. Good lord. Oh, good lord. If you get car sick, you don't want to be in this car. Congratulations, Chris. That is one smoking car. Damn, what a spec. Number 64 of 765 ever to be produced.
for the spiders. Amazing.
Come on, you can't tell me you'd have a bad day doing this.
Oh, hell no. Are you kidding me? You had me at get out of town. We could have gone and just sat on a farm for an hour. I don't give a shit. This is like, you know, next level stunt and shit. This is the stuff we dream about, right? I mean, I'll never forget this day. Well, guys, this is the conclusion to the video. We are currently heading back. The car, the 3500, is been amazing. We're actually taking Tail of the Dragon back. It was just easier, frankly, to get to Nashville through the Tail of the Dragon. This is like the worst part right here. Then there's probably 2 more miles of it, and then it more or less opens up. But it's been amazing. The trailer's been amazing. The truck, the 3500, is just eating these miles, eating this road up. It almost doesn't even feel like there is a trailer. It's kind of mind-blowing, frankly. But it's been an incredible day. I can't even like express my gratefulness to Chris and just life for allowing me to do this stuff. Like, it's amazing. I'm so thankful I get to share it with you guys. And look at where we're at. I mean, the sun's setting. It's December. New Year's in like 2 days. It's just incredible. You know, I know that there's so much just fear and, you know, it's tough right now. The recession, the Fed, like all this shit. But don't watch the news. You know, like, be positive. Work on your goals. Take massive action every day. No excuses, you know? Like, Chris and me, we didn't come from money. And frankly, I don't even feel like I have any money most days, right? But that's a $600,000 car, right? I mean, with ADMs and everything else. Like, you guys can do this. So may this video inspire you. Be safe. Don't do the crazy stuff we did today. We felt like we were in a very controlled environment. There was very few people on the road today, being December. And overall, you know, I don't think that you're going to have many opportunities to drive a car. And frankly, most cars just frankly can't do what this car can do. I mean, it just works, right? So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. I love you all, and have a happy new year.